Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be basically unboxing. Well, I unboxed already. Well, what I purchased basically, and my latest Amazon purchase. So it's just a few stuff, not much as you can see. So let's get into it. So where should I start? All right, let me start from this. So I've heard a lot about this type of mouthwash, TheraBreath, mouthwash. I tend to use Listerine, but I've seen this a lot on TikTok everywhere. Hold on, the lighting should be better. So I see this everywhere on TikTok and different places that is recommended. So I decided to give it a try. So it's a pack of two, but I just bring one to show you. Right? This snow, I saw this as well. I tend to buy a lot of Amazon like bestsellers or Amazon Choice. So this was one of them. So it's for the bathroom to clean the toilet, as you can see. So I'm going to try it and see if it does anything different, any something major than what I normally use. So if anything, I'll give you an update on this, but it's one of the top sellers, if not the best seller on Amazon for cleaning stuff. All right, this now is, I tend to use this a lot. So it came spill, as if you realize that full, you have to wipe off the bottle because it spilled right over and whatever. I don't know if it dried or something, but it spilled right over. I use it like after shaving to reduce the appearance of like razor bump and something there. Keep this girlies. Yeah, it's a staple, right? It's a staple. So I just tend to use it, and my little bottle finished. My 4 ounce was finished. It's about the 8 ounce this time. But know when it's expiring, because not when I use it that often, but I shall use it till it finish. So if it expire upon me, I say go. But it can't nothing too bad. So I said before, it helps with ingrown hairs, razor bumps in the case of shaving or waxing. I think it keeps the nice bikini area clean, or not bumpy, smooth. Okay, yes. Oh, this is also a cleaning stuff. So this now, me grew up and see this on TV, but I didn't know it's actually good, right? I bought two when I was away and I use it on the walls. Oh my god, it's like magic. A really magic eraser. So I done it. But done this sponge till it broke up. So I ordered a pack of a six. Yeah, six come in there. So it helps with cleaning. It helps a lot with cleaning. A little wallet, especially one with little kiddos and like a crayon and something there. Yes, you can get it. It's quite very, very, very affordable. On Amazon. And trust me, it literally works like magic. You just wet the sponge and rub it. Not enough to rub too hard either. And it get the work done. So I'm a new staple. So after this finish, I shall be buying again. Okay? Yeah. Nobody never told me about this before. Like, me see pan grade, I won't think I lie, I take no advertisement tell lie. So I said actually work. So I'm very much impressed. Right? I feel very late to the trend, even though, yeah. So now, in my previous video, hope me upload them the right way because I have so many videos backlog. Cut. Yeah, the video part for do the video, nobody know if the video is not bad, right? But for edit, nothing actually take some time. And me can't even get the thumbnail like home one. I forgot me if take one picture before me could do. Because to get the thumbnail and then edit it out, Sometimes I try and best not make much mistake because when you make much mistake, my fear go in and I cut this and cut that and then put the transition animation and then this and that. And then I still can't master when I master as yet, right? Like to put my social media stuff handles on the screen. Me see other people and do it and I know for it. I'm gonna check YouTube and before them do but it don't come out like oh I want it to come out. So I'm gonna try again. But it's not have the full time, right? But we'll get better, right? We'll get better. No one is perfect, we'll get better. On that note, please follow me on all socials at petals_discovery. Check me on Instagram. I already TikTok me there, but check me on Instagram and TikTok. Please follow both pages. May I beg you? And please subscribe to this channel too. Thank you. I'm trying to reach that 1K mark. And please watch the videos right through. Whether on mute or you want to listen it, I need to watch hours. Please and thanks. So the playlists are there. Just left the playlist. Either turn down the volume and watch a TV. Or if you're in traffic, you can left it there. The phone now go drain. If you do something, if you are work, put it in the back tab and just play it. May I beg you? So yes, and I'm going to do an experiment. I'm going to make my videos shorter. The thing is, I'm buying enough stuff, right? And if I change clothes, and if I go do one next video, and next to Amazon stuff, and next to she's what next, that's much work, too much for everything I want. But I want to try to put the videos in 10 minutes or 15 minutes tops. Okay, I'm trying, and I talk a lot too. So this now, the girl is going through her next phase. This phase, I actually got treated already. I'm revisit it somewhat. Our next phase is coming up. I should tell you about that phase. So this is for wigs, right? I'm not so ashamed to put out the wig on me. I'm buy and I install because it don't tangle. But I need content. I need to post. So you see the awful wig installation with the quality, right? And I think I messed up the straight wig too. But we shall think of the positive and the negative, right? Oh, these are the tint, right? We use this already. If you tint the lace, then if you use makeup, it'll spray it. So this is what I got because the girl going through her face, right? So in this box, you get, I don't know my name. You go in the head, right? You lay down the lace, the whatever. You get edge brush and comb in it. On next edge brush and probably put the glue around the perimeter. These are the wig glue, right? And also the lace glue remover, right? It's a nice little kit. Comes with a melting spray. This is a lace tint mousse. So if you don't want to use this, or I probably combine, I don't know. And this guy gets spilled too. Oh my god. Yeah, the lace tint mousse. Edge control, right? Put on the edges. We get two of this. And these are the hair wax stick. Like if you have straight hair, you put it down and then probably use the hot comb and melt it, as they would say. And I also get some stocking caps, but I also bought some HD wig cap because scalp wear, right? So give me a second. Right, so in this little box, remember the cost, all links will be, you know where to go, description below, all links will be there. So in this little box, it comes with everything, right? You would need to install the wig. If it's strong, no. But it's a good deal. So how much this? 3, 6, 9, about 12 stuff. No, there are different products. Enough things coming, as you can see. So I will try to use them on the straight wig, the bob that I have. I'll try to use them there, right? So We will see what that bridge to go. In the meantime, let me tell you, my next my next phase that I'm revisiting, because I've done these phases already, will be makeup. I am a natural girly, right? But it doesn't hurt. So like if I have somewhere to go, no, me can't fix all the things in the box. If I have somewhere to go and me can't get figured to a professional, it doesn't hurt that I know what to do. Mind you, the girl in a heart to fix. Mind you, thanks be to God. Once me dash on some little foundation or little powder, skin flawless. Right? But I'm a bit shy and reserved to go all out, like the whole contour, highlight, baking, and then something there, because I just feel like say it might not work out so well because I don't really have faith in that area. So the last expo I went to, it's on the page, the Health Hair Beauty Expo, may get one kit. I want it, right? With everything that's needed for your face, right? So experiment, okay? Someday I try to pull this. So yes, that's the next phase, okay? Makeup. I bought this foldable phone stand. Next thing, how this work? Next thing, I watch something or listen to something. I have one already now. It's quite metal, but it's rigid. It can't fold or anything. So, like if you pack, it's not much trouble. But my God, it's just bulky. So I bought this. I've been eyeing this for some time. I was supposed to buy this before the other one, but the other one was cheaper. But now since I do traveling and I'm something there, it's handy, right? So as you can see, you put the phone there and you just to close it back. I saw me do it a while ago. Oh, I saw? Yeah, see there. So you see, you can check now me can check my bag anyway, nah it's not bulky. And we can just pop it out when we need for watch TikTok or I don't know, scroll from my phone if not any little thing. So I'm glad that this comes. I mean, if I walk with the one for the one that's rigid, I can keep it at the house, right? And this one I can have it on me whenever I'm going somewhere, right? So now I leave this for last because it's a drama. Imagine, I know some need more lights, right? I know it work everything, but sometimes I have lights and it still show that. I don't know what the reason, but I bought some lights Prime Day, right? And these were quite affordable. I get 2 pack. I also have some different colors. Okay? Yeah. If that works? No, it don't work. So different colors. So this is a pack of 2. So I'm show you now. Let me tell you what the drama. Pack of 2 it come with it. It's supposed to come with it. Here keyword supposed to come with the tripod stand as well. So I should get 2 tripod stand and the 2 lights. Me say I dig up the box or till me dig up the box or till me dig up the box or till. Could I find a tripod stand? Me that's a probably like a mini one where you can, fold it, probably last on the box. But look up in the box, but turn over the box on it. Where is the tripod stand? Where is the tripod stand? Only if you go in the reviews now and say some people get tripod stand alone, right? And some people get light alone. So because they know them fault, but quickly get a refund. But tell them say where is the tripod stand? They not even hesitate. We get the refund. So now I'm stuck with 2 lights with no tripod stand. But have no fear. The girl is quite smart. I was going to buy it back again. But I said, why would I buy it back again? And suppose when we do buy it, I the same problem come back. So the girl think, and it has occurred to me. The girl say, let's buy 2 tripod stand. So I look on Amazon. And I said, what if it's cheaper on Shein? So I buy 2 tripod stand on Shein. If it must remember look at the money. And I said, problem solved. I just spend like what's it, $5 or $10. And me get a whole lighting set. Okay? So the only thing though, it the ends what we realize, the ends are USB type. So you need adapter, right? Or if you have an extension card that can use these, yeah. So you have the different lights, the modes and so forth. It's nice, it's bright, but music already. I have an extra tripod, kit and everything. So this is how it's supposed to be. Right? So I'll still leave the link in the description and just follow my tip. You know, I give tips in every video, right? You can order it. If you don't get where you don't get, hopefully a tripod stand you don't get, you ask your refund and you go buy a tripod stand for Shein. And you know nothing too fancy. Tripod stand just shine the light them, boom boom, studio. Right? So yeah, that is it. And I'm very proud of myself. You realize I don't have any pills today. Yeah, I don't have any pills today. So we're getting there. We're getting. I do have a pill. Hold on. So, oh my god, I'm so embarrassed. I'm so embarrassed. So, this is not very cutesy, okay? We get something for review, right? And this one is, I don't even know what it's for, but I'm reviewing it. It has some vitamins. It is for like exercise people. Me not really know. Me leave this up. Me name Tan Max. Remember wait about at all. Remember nothing about it. But I'm supposed to basically take a picture with it, basically. And yeah. I don't have much pill in the either, capsule in there. 30. It feels so flimsy. But yes, guys, I don't know what it's for. I'll leave all links in the description, and probably when I'm editing, I'll tell you what's for somewhere along the, the gel, the frame. So thank you all for watching. Thank you all for watching the ramble on too. I haven't rambled on too long. We're still in good timing. I think I passed the 50-minute mark, but it's me. Let's watch a good video and support the girlie. So I'm trying to stick a thumbnail, don't mind me, but thank you for watching. Please continue to like, share, watch the video, and comment what else you want me to review. Please follow me on all social, and you can catch me on TikTok. I'm supposed to go live. I haven't established a time as yet, but soon. Alright? Soon. So thank you and bye.